দুকু মেনা 17 বছর 12 জাত ব্যাংকে ধরে সারা রাত সতার লাগে নুড়ু ধানকে বলে হুড়ু মেনে কানা কুবুয়া বুলুড়ুগি মেনে কানা কুবুয়া বুলুড়ুগিয়া।
Look toward heaven and number the stars, if you are able to number them. Hey Abraham, look toward heaven and number the stars, if you are able to number them. So shall your offspring be, so shall your offspring be. So Abraham had Isaac, Isaac had Jacob, Jacob's name was changed to Israel. And Israel had many sons, 12 to be precise, and they would be the fathers of the Israelites. They were Reuben and Simeon, Levi and Judah, Dan and Naphtali, Gad and Asher, Issachar and Zebulun, Joseph and little Benji. These are the 12 sons of
Biridisum sage mata como sage kuidi miru.
Jehovah said, because the cry of Sodom and Gomorrah is great, and because their sin is very grievous, I will go down now and see whether they have done. The cities of Sodom and Gomorrah were full of evil, licentiousness, rampant with murder, and indulgence in extravagant pleasures. They reached the point of clamoring against God, of fighting against Him, and raging His disposition.
Where are the men which came into you this night? Bring them out to us, that we may know them.
After the angels took Lot and his family out of the city, burning sulfur rained down from the sky. The raging fire lit up the heavens.
Hurry up!
My house!
Our lives are on the line. Who cares about the house?
I'm not afraid. Just one look. Just one look.
Biridisum sage